Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for both plant enthusiasts and anyone looking to enhance their living space. We discovered the BSOD full spectrum light bulb, a versatile LED grow light that promises to deliver natural, vibrant light for your indoor plants and more. If you're interested in checking the latest price and availability, we've added a link in the description below. The BSOD full spectrum light bulb comes in a convenient 2-pack, featuring G45 small light bulbs with an E26 base. These bulbs emit a natural 4000 K white light, which mimics the spectrum of sunlight. This balanced light is ideal for supporting your plants through every stage of growth, from seed starting to full maturity. Additionally, the light therapy benefits make it perfect for enhancing your mood and well-being. One of the standout features of the BSOD bulb is its compact G45 design, which measures just 45 mm in diameter and 68 mm in height. This small size allows for easy integration into various fixtures, whether you're replacing a bulb in your lamp or using it in your refrigerator. The bulb's 360-degree omnidirectional emission ensures that it delivers even illumination across your space, eliminating dark spots and creating a welcoming atmosphere. When it comes to color representation, this bulb excels with a remarkable 93 color rendering index, or CRI. The high CRI means that colors appear true to life, enhancing the visual appeal of your home or workspace. This feature is especially beneficial for photography and videography, as it ensures natural-looking lighting without the flicker that can lead to discomfort over time. Energy efficiency is another key highlight of the BSOD light bulb. Consuming just 5 watts of power, it provides the same brightness as a traditional 40-watt bulb. This makes it an eco-friendly choice that can significantly reduce your electricity bill while also lasting up to 30,000 hours. With such longevity, you can rely on this bulb for all your lighting needs, whether for general room lighting or as a dedicated grow light. Durability is also a priority with the BSOD bulb. It features a frosted anti-drop lampshade that is not only tough but also ensures high light transmittance, softening the light for a comfortable experience. The unique G45 Dragon Ball shape adds an aesthetic touch to any space, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With an IP44 waterproof rating, this bulb can thrive in covered patios, porches, or other outdoor adjacent areas. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're an indoor gardener looking to support your plants with the right light, these bulbs are a fantastic option. They're also great for anyone wanting to brighten up their home with natural-looking light. Whether you're growing tomatoes on your kitchen windowsill, nurturing herbs on your balcony, or simply enhancing your living room, the BSOD full-spectrum light bulb is versatile enough to meet your needs. Practical use cases for this bulb are endless. Use it in your desk lamp to create a cozy workspace that doesn't strain your eyes, or install it in your refrigerator to ensure everything is visible. You could even set it up in a light therapy lamp for those days when you need a little extra mood boost. In summary, the BSOD full-spectrum light bulb is a smart, cost-effective choice for anyone looking to improve both plant growth and home lighting. With its high CRI, energy efficiency, and durable design, it's a product that truly stands out in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.